Ever heard of GPUs and TPUs and wondered what on earth they are? You're not alone. Let's quickly tell you the simple difference between these important computer chips. First up, the GPU. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. Its original job, as the name suggests, was to handle graphics. Think about making video games look great, or displaying all the images and videos on your screen. How does it do this? A GPU is like having thousands of tiny pencils all drawing different small parts of that picture at the exact same time. This is called parallel processing, doing many small tasks simultaneously. This ability makes GPUs great for any job that can be broken down into many small, independent operations, so they're very versatile. Now, what about the TPU? TPU stands for Tensor Processing Unit. These were specifically designed by Google. Why? Specifically for artificial intelligence, or AI. A big part of modern AI, like the systems that recognize your voice or suggest what to watch next, uses something called neural networks. These neural networks involve a lot of specific mathematical calculations, repeated over and over again. Google needed chips that could do this specific kind of math extremely fast and efficiently for things like their search engine or image recognition. So, if the GPU is like a versatile Swiss Army knife that can do many different things pretty well, the TPU is like a super specialized power tool. Imagine a wrench built only to tighten one specific kind of bolt, but it does that one job incredibly fast and uses less energy than the Swiss Army knife trying to do the same thing. A TPU isn't designed for everything, but just for some of those specific AI math tasks. And where do we find these? Well, GPUs are everywhere, in your phone, your laptop, gaming computers, and cloud servers. TPUs, because they're so specialized and made by Google, are mostly used by Google itself or accessed through Google's cloud services. So, what's the main difference in a nutshell? GPUs are general-purpose parallel processors. They're flexible and can handle many different kinds of tasks that can be done in parallel, including graphics and a lot of AI work. TPUs are specialized AI math accelerators. They're purpose-built and optimized to do specific calculations common in AI, making them fast and efficient for those tasks. Think of it this way. If you need a flexible tool for many different kinds of computing jobs, including graphics and a good range of AI applications, a GPU is fantastic. But if you're doing massive amounts of very specific AI calculations, like Google does for its services, a TPU can be much faster and more power efficient for that particular job. Both GPUs and TPUs are amazing pieces of technology that help power our digital world and the exciting AI revolution. They're just different tools, designed for different, though sometimes overlapping tasks. Hope that clears things up. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.